Check these things before you ride. Squeeze the tyres to check the air pressure. They should feel firm. Check the brakes by squeezing them and pushing the bike forwards. The brake pads should prevent the wheels from moving. Next, make sure that both hinges are tightened securely. You should tighten them as far as you can with one finger, then add a quarter turn with 2 fingers. Check that the cables are undamaged, untangled, and that all connections are in place. Then make sure that the handlebars are aligned and secure by wedging the front wheel between your legs and twisting them from side to side. Turn the pedals backwards to make sure that the chain is correctly in place. It should move freely and engage with each jockey wheel. Finally, lift the bike slightly off the ground and drop it back down. If anything shakes or feels loose, contact us or take your e-bike to a qualified e-bike mechanic.